Well, I got the old distributor back in. With the help of a friend, we got it running again, right, like it's supposed to. The last weekend, I rebuilt the carburetor, so that's good to go. I just fixed this today, so. But now you turn the key on, fires right up. And also, when you turn that valve right there, it doesn't die out like it used to. And I bought some points in the condenser, but these points here are still working. I got the new points in the bag in the condenser. The points in the condenser and their boxes in the truck here, in the white truck that I'm pulling this with. So save them as a backup. And I got new plugs for the other side, so I can change the plugs out sometime. But anyway, I'll start up here and let you listen to it. I forget which key I got. Well, it does run, but it does that. I'm gonna pump it a little bit. And there you go. Runs like a new one. But I still got the I got the new points, like I said, in the truck. Save them as a backup for this here. Enjoy.